Hey, it's Shelly, and I am about to show you Shelly's puppies. Cute puppies.
Yeah, I'm a good girl.
Oh, this is Shelly's puppies, and we've got the Chesapeake Humane Society here with me today, and they brought this big girl here. Who is this?
This is Trixie. Trixie, her kennel number is D2010-1104. If somebody's interested in visiting with her, she's in kennel 29. She's a product of divorce.
Oh.
The family split up and they had no place to keep Trixie. She is a Husky Greyhound mix, so her previous people tell us.
That's what this fur is all about. She probably does it like twice a year like my Husky does.
She is 8 years old. They tell us she is good with other pets and kids and people. As you can tell, she loves people.
And she is so well behaved. She just sits
very good girl.
right down.
She's a very good girl.
Yeah. When she walked in, she sat down right in front of me like, "Are you going to pet me now, please? Thank you."
She loves attention. The only thing we found she doesn't like is having her nails trimmed and having her temperature taken.
Yeah, in the butt. So
Yeah. She thinks that's a little intrusive. She enjoyed her bath yesterday.
Yeah, she smells very clean.
She's been a good girl.
Awesome.
She her parents tell her previous people they tell us she's bilingual though. She does Spanish and English. So I haven't tried because I don't speak Spanish very well.
Yeah, I don't know how to say sit or anything in Spanish, but she's already doing it. So good, good girl.
You don't need to coax her to do much.
Muy bueno.
She's a good girl.
If we want to adopt Trixie here, what do we need to do?
Trixie is housed at Chesapeake Animal Control out in the Cavalier Industrial Park. The street address is 3807 Cook Boulevard. Their hours for adoption are 11 to 4, Monday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and Tuesday they're open from 11 to 6 for adoptions. They are closed on Wednesdays and Sundays, and being a city facility, they're closed on city holidays also.
Give Trixie a forever home. We'll put up the address and everything. The phone number is all right here.
What are you doing?